Yaneth is tracking our participation today. Would you show everyone that tracker? Who can remind us how many times in a class period we're looking to hear your voice? I love the participation. Luis, start us off. At least 3 times. So we've got Natalie's putting Yaneth is putting a check right next to Luis's name right now. Yes, Stephanie?
At least 2.
Yeah, so we're shooting, the big goal is 3, but at very minimum of 2. Good correction for me. We're ready to take this down? Let's go through. I want to see every single hand in the air because everybody has an answer. So who has an answer to number 1? If you have an answer, raise your hand for me. You got an answer? Put your hand in the air. Miss Stephanie, you have an answer? Yeah. Armpits, hands in the air. There we go. Stephanie, would you like to answer number 1? Please read and explain your answer.
I think it's political power.
Can you read for us the definition first? Then give us the answer and tell us why.
The ability to influence government laws. I chose political power because it's because it's a government and law, so it takes care of that.
You're absolutely right. Government and laws is politics, and so the ability to influence government and laws is political power. Very nice job. Highlight that if you missed it, and leave it blank if you have it correct. Stephanie, before we go on, there's one thing. I want to help with the pronunciation of this word, political. Class, on the count of 3, would you say political? 1, 2, 3.
Political.
Excellent. Stephanie, can you say this word for us, please?
Political.
Excellent pronunciation, Stephanie. Okay, what about number 2? Who has an answer for number 2? We've got almost everybody with their thoughts down. Yes, Justin, go ahead.
The group of people who created a great empire in central Mexico from about 1-4.
So Justin, when you're saying dates, go ahead and break it into 2 numbers. 1425
1425
to
1521.
Excellent. And what group is that?
The Aztecs.
You're absolutely right. Number 2 is the Aztecs. Let's move on to number 3. I see we have lots of answers already. Yes, Isabel?
Economic power.
Yeah, would you read the definition for us as well?
The ability to influence business and trade is I chose economic power because economic means business and trade.
Excellent. I love the way you justified your answer. Did you hear how we had an explanation from her? How many of you agreed with Isabel for number 3? Raise your hand if you agreed. Excellent. What about number 4? What was our answer for number 4? Christian, go ahead and tell us the answer for number 4.
Number 4 is 10.
Yeah, that's an absolute mouthful right now. Go ahead and read the definition first, and then we'll practice pronunciation.
The capital city of the Aztec Empire built on Lake
Texcoco?
Texcoco and the site of modern-day Mexico City.
Yes, you have the correct answer. How many of you have the answer right there at the top? Let's practice pronunciation. We'll break it down by syllables. Teno? Chtit? Lan. Tenochtitlan. That's a fun one. Let's say it one more time. On the count of 3. Tenochtitlan. 1, 2, 3.
Tenochtitlan.
Very good. See the way I stumbled over it as well? We have 2 more to go, 5 and 6. Let's finish up strong. Glance. Do number 5 for us.
Payment to a more powerful ruler or country. Tribute.
You're absolutely right. Does anyone remember some of the goods that the Aztecs forced the conquered tribes to pay to them? Let me go back to yesterday's class. Yes, Stephanie?
Cotton, gold, and food.
Yeah, cotton, gold, and food. Absolutely. Finally, the very last one, number 6. Yes, Ariana, in the white shirt. Ariana.
The way society's social classes are organized, social structure.
You're absolutely right. Social structure. Are there any questions on numbers 1 through 6? Lovely. Let's do 6, 7, or 7, 8, 9 right now. Looking at number 7, we're going to take a quick class poll. I'm going to ask you to tell me if you chose answer A, B, C, or D. Raise your hand if you selected answer choice A. There's one person. Don't worry, you might be right. Raise your hand if you selected answer choice B. 1, 2, 3. Raise your hand if you chose answer choice C. 1, 2, 3, 4. And raise your hand if you chose answer choice D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So right now I would love to hear a discussion or a debate. We have people who disagree right here. Is there anyone who would like to start justifying their answer for us? Christian's hand went up like a rocket, so did Matt's. Matt, take us away. Tell us what you chose and why.
I chose D because I didn't hear anything about a religion from the reading or the video.
Okay, class, what I want to hear now is every single one of you either agrees with Matt or disagrees. So I want to see every hand in the air. And we're going to practice speaking like scholars. I want to hear you articulate why you agree or disagree with Matt. How many hands did I ask for? All of them, yes. So I should see every hand because everybody either agrees or disagrees. Armpits. That means your hand's all the way in the air, right? None of this little short arm T-Rex arms. Hands in the air. All right, Gio. Tell us. In fact, tell Matt if you agree or disagree with him.
I agree with Matt because
Tell him, he's back there.
I agree with Matt because I didn't hear anything about religion.
Can you speak a little bit louder so that everybody can hear you?
I agree with Matt because I didn't hear anything about religion.
Okay, so you're telling us that we didn't hear anything about religion. So you eliminated answer choice D. Justin.
I disagree with Matt because we heard about priests and they have to do with religion.
Okay. You're right about that. Look at the question. Read the question for us, Justin.
Which of the choices is not a reason that the Aztecs were able to spread their empire?
So we're looking for a reason that the Aztecs, a false reason. We're looking for an answer choice that is false right now. And Matt and Gio, you are correct. The answer is D. Justin, as we go through today's class, we're going to hear even more about priests, and we're going to be looking